If you're worried that starting or increasing antidepressants is going to prevent you from doing emotional healing work, this is going to be an important video for you. I've had more than one client walk away feeling a lot of relief after we had this conversation. So let's look at some of the common concerns here. Now, I'm not exactly sure where this comes from, but I've talked to a lot of people who have this idea that to really heal emotionally, you have to feel the worst things you possibly can as fully as you can. So any titrating, any working with smaller, more manageable emotional experience is that's not the real thing. You got to be white knuckling it to be growing. And this is probably elements of hustle culture, no pain, no gain, grind set that you hear a lot right now. But it's just not how emotional healing works. And even with physical healing, right? Physical exercise, at least, maxing out every rep at the highest weight you possibly can, that's a recipe for burnout and injury. One way you can think about medication, whether that's for physical pain or emotional pain, is as a tool, right? So if you're wearing a knee brace during an injury and you're getting rehab, it's not like you're cheating, right? The brace isn't doing the physical therapy for you or preventing you from growing muscle. It's just some support there. So maybe you're not in agony the entire time, or maybe you can't even do some of the exercises without that support for a while. So from my perspective, medication could be reducing your baseline level of pain and anxiety to where it could actually support you in being able to look at some of the deeper issues rather than just using these tools to tread water every day. And there is a fear I want to speak to that is an identity level fear I hear from people, that taking medication would mean something about you. You're an imposter, you're not really doing the work, you're just avoiding. Now, to me, what avoidance would actually look like is I refuse to examine anything about myself, and I expect that taking this medication is just going to, sort out my trauma, heal my entire nervous system. Now, I've never met anyone who actually believes that, but I've met many people who fear that they would be a certain type of person, an imposter, an avoider, if they were taking medication. Now, if you're watching a video like this, usually the people that I connect with, they're so far on the other end of the spectrum, right? Very conscientious, self-aware, committed. So you're probably not, you don't have to worry about bypassing and just avoiding all your feelings, right? And now I do have personal experience now with clients who've had this exact conversation, who had the conversation with their doctor. They started or increased medication and continued doing, sessions with me. And from what I've seen, the work goes just as deep. They're the same introspective, capable humans able to get in touch with their emotions. No downside from the emotional work side, but big upside in their day-to-day life outside of the work. And you don't want your entire life to be about healing and healing work. So if something helps you get out there and enjoy some things, it's going to be good for you. Now, I would imagine there's medication and things that could numb you more than you're comfortable with, or a dosage or something. But if that's happening, that's a conversation you can have with your doctor. So it's certainly way outside my scope to say you should or shouldn't take medication, but I don't want you to assume that you just won't be able to do this work and the whole subject of medication has to be ruled out, right? And a lot of that inner dialogue, the fear of taking it, what it would mean about you, this comes, I think, from the inner relationship we have with ourselves and the expectations that we have of ourselves. I have a free guide in the description that can really help you understand and work with these inner relationship with yourself. So I hope that helps, and please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.